So we're done with retrieval, and we're now moving on to processing. So in processing, there's two main ones, and then there's two other ones that are made from those two main ones. We'll get to that later. So we have effortful or declarative processing, which is basically like you physically, consciously learning it. Like for me, I'm doing notes, so I am effortfully processing this information, which goes through the 3-stage model, consciously, give or take. And this processing is for explicit memories, which are facts and experiences that you just memorize consciously. That's too many conscious words, but consciously. Then we have automatic processing, which is non-declarative processing, which go with the implicit memories. It's very automatic, it's unconscious, and it focuses on 3 main things: time, space, and frequency. Time, like, oh, it's midday, oh, it's nighttime. Space, like, oh, it's like a green area, it's like with trees, it's natureful. Frequency, like, I saw that woman with a red coat pass like 5 times, sort of way. It has classical conditioning, which, if you don't remember, is, I believe, the stimuli and reflexes thing, and it's and also includes procedural. Like, let's say you're riding a bike, right? You're learning how to ride a bike, and for some apparent reason, like, you just know how to do it after like 5 million tries, I think. I don't think that's a horrible example. Ignore that. And after effortful or declarative processing and automatic processing, there is serial processing, which is made up from directly just only effortful or declarative processing. There is nothing unconscious happening here. It's very one by one. Like, there's only one memory processing at a time. Think like serial numbers. There's only like one serial number in that whole line. Like, 3.14159 is like it's pi, right? Like, there's nothing like branching out from that 1-4 after that. It's probably going to go to another number. That's a horrible example, but deal with me right now. And then there's parallel processing, which is both effortful and automatic. It's not multitasking, because multitasking is both conscious processing. Parallel processing is basically like, that you're doing something, but in your head, your unconscious is also doing something else. Like, you're doing your test. You're very focused on the test, but in your head, you could remember, like, implicit memories. Like, you could, like, remember that there's some kid coughing behind you and you kind of want to punch them, sort of way. So, yeah. Remember, there's serial processing, parallel processing, effortful processing, and automatic processing. And you should be good to go.